Yo, what up, everybody? Welcome back. This is a real quick video. It's a real quick video. If you guys know from a couple videos back, I removed the Android stereo off my car, and I had said I was either gonna try to sell it or he was gonna take it. And the reason why we're making this video is to help anybody that's trying to install one of these. I know they already came out with a new version of this stereo, which I probably would recommend, the one with the buttons. This one looks a lot better, but for me it didn't function. I think it was a faulty unit in the case that the AC didn't work, and for him his AC doesn't work anyways, so he ain't tripping. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys real quick. It's gonna be a quick video, what to do if you guys are trying to install this for anybody that might need help. I'm gonna show you guys what you guys need to remove in order to take off the old stereo. We kind of have this apart, but I decided that, you know what, let's take a crack at it and just make this video, just to do it, you know. Like he said, it's content and also helps you guys out. But first thing you guys want to do is take off these covers. This one here, if you guys have some trim tools, you guys could do that. I did use a flathead screwdriver, which you shouldn't do because it will damage this, but we got it from the bottom and pried up. I didn't remove this all the way because there's a duct in there, which becomes a pain in the ass to put on, but you can get a screwdriver in here to remove it. So you do that one, then you have your other plastic panel right here, same thing. Pry it off with a pry tool. You can get them at Harbor Freight or on Amazon, but you'll remove that one. And then up here, before you guys start pulling, there is a screw here, and all you got to do is just pop off your hazard switch, and then undo the switch, and it comes off. After that, on the bottom, you guys probably can't see it. There you go, right there. What you guys see, like right there, there are two 8mm bolts that hold it from the bottom. Once you remove that, you can remove this connector, or this white connector. I don't know if you guys, I'm pointing correctly. That white connector, remove that, and then you can start pulling this out to disconnect it from the back, and your stereo is out. Yo, what up? So we have the OEM stereo disconnected. It's not a lot of connectors that you have to remove, pretty easy, but we got that. And then the only thing that you do have to transfer over from your original stereo to the Android one is your vents. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna just remove all these screws, put the vents on the other stereo, and then we just snap it back on and plug everything in, because this is a plug and play kit, and that should be it.
Yes, sir.
All right, y'all, so we have everything swapped over, ready to go. So the vents are on. Like I said, it's only a couple screws right here. That's pretty much it. The rest of the plugs, they only go in one way. Obviously this is the blue one to blue one. Your green ones, you have two of them that go there, and I think one of them you don't use.
The blue one.
Yeah,
this blue one, right?
No, the blue one you do use it, but I think you only use this green one and this one right up here. The rest of, I think these two you don't use it. Obviously your antenna, and pretty much everything else stays unplugged. But for the most part, that's pretty much it. You do have a GPS antenna for your navigation. I already have a USB here, which I had for pictures to change the background, and then this one was my charging port. But that's pretty much it. You just got to figure out a way to run these wires, place your GPS in a location of your liking. Usually I think when I did it, I put it somewhere down here. I think I put it somewhere right here, with the metal, since it does have a magnet. And that's pretty much it. Just everything goes back in one way, can't really go wrong, and just install everything in reverse order and you're good to go. So we're gonna get to install this and should be good to go. There. One last thing we're gonna do first before we start buttoning everything up is
Start this bitch.
Start it, make sure everything turns on. Do you have your keys?
Nope.
Just the roll?
Yes, sir.
Alright. We're gonna start it up, make sure everything's functioning. Yeah, screen is on. There we go. That is another thing too. If you guys, when you guys first put it on, it makes this weird ass noise, which is annoying as hell. In order to take that off, because it'll be the whole time on every time you're doing something. If I remember correctly how to do it. It's not there.
I got Wi-Fi up in this bitch?
Yeah, you can connect the Wi-Fi.
Excellent.
I go here. I guess car settings. And we're gonna go here.
Keypad tone.
And keypad tone, you're gonna turn it off and it's gone. That's pretty much it. Check, make sure he has sound.
I'll put the music. Where'd I go?
Wait, let me put the stereo, the radio. Got radio.
Talk radio.
But yeah, you guys see everything is functioning. Like we said, all we got to do now is install the hazard switch, install the Phillips here, the 2 8s on the bottom. So yeah, plastic, the plastic clips, the Phillips, the 2 8s on the bottom. Put back this cover, and then we just got to clean up all this wiring for it to be ready to go, and then that should be it. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much a quick overview on how to remove your original unit and install the Android unit. I will like to think that it works for both of them, but yeah, hopefully you guys like this video and you guys, you know, it was helpful to anybody that might need this. But yeah, thank you guys for checking this video, and we got a lot more content. Just decided to throw this one out real quick for anybody that needs help, since we're working on this already. Thanks to my brother for holding the phone. He's doing all that while I try to finish this quick because he has to leave. But yeah, like I said, thank you guys for all the support, and make sure to like, subscribe. You guys are more than welcome to check us out on all our social medias, and there will be in the description below. And until next time, see you guys on another video. Peace.